Welcome. For the next few minutes, there is nowhere you need to be and nothing you need to do. Just allow yourself to be here. Find a comfortable position, relax your shoulders, soften your face, and gently close your eyes. Now, bring your attention to your breath. We'll breathe together. Slowly breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, and slowly breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful. Again. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, and breathe out slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let your body become a little softer. With every breath in, imagine calm entering your body. And with every breath out, let go of whatever you no longer need to carry. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is nothing to solve right now, nothing to change, just this moment, just this breath. Notice the quiet space between your thoughts. Let them come and let them go, like clouds slowly passing through the sky. Take another slow breath in. Feel your lungs gently filling. Hold for a moment and breathe out. Let your shoulders fall. Let your jaw soften. Let your whole body become heavy and peaceful. One final deep breath. Breathe in slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. And breathe out completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stay here for just a moment. Notice how you feel. Remember, you can return to your breath whenever you need to. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more peaceful meditation videos.